How much power does this provide for Xcel?
So this is about a 100 megawatt installation.
In the city of North Branch,
That's enough to power about 20,000 homes.
is a 1,000-acre farm
We get a decent mix of sun here.
that's covered in solar panels.
So it's actually a helpful contribution to our clean energy strategy.
Right now, 3% of Xcel's electricity comes from solar.
How different is today's mix from what it was 10 years ago?
It's quite different. We were a typical Midwest, very coal-heavy utility.
In 2020, 26% of Minnesota's electricity came from nuclear, followed by coal, wind, natural gas, solar, biomass, and hydro. And if you add in the 10% or so Minnesota imports from out of state, wind and coal go up slightly, nuclear and natural gas go down.
How quickly is this mix changing?
It's changing very quickly, and in fact, we're having luck changing it faster than we thought we were going to be able to.
That's part nuclear, part wind.
We've added a significant amount of wind in the last several years. So when we have a nice windy day, we'll actually lower the output from our coal units.
Great River Energy will eliminate coal from its portfolio at the end of next year. Xcel is retiring its last coal plant in 2030, and Minnesota Power plans to stop burning coal in Minnesota in 2035.
The primary reason is economics, that renewable energy has just come down in cost so quickly.
Gabe Chan studies energy technologies at the U of M.
Is a carbon-free power grid reliable for us here in Minnesota?
Let me say, I think that a carbon-free grid can be made reliable. I think if we tried to do this tomorrow, we would have a lot of challenges. We really have to deal with this intermittency problem.
Like when it's not windy or sunny.
We can get to the 80% by 2030 with today's existing technology.
It's that last 20% that's tough.
So during the 2020s, we really need a lot of innovation, advanced nuclear, carbon sequestration, battery storage, hydrogen, perhaps, and probably things we aren't even thinking of right now.
So you think in the next 10, 20, 30 years, people will be seeing a lot more of these types of farms?
I'm confident they will, yes.
Heather Brown,
We'll be seeing a lot more solar in Minnesota.
WCCO 4 News.